been a busy day already today. And it's 8:30 in the morning. But that's because it's chicken butchering day. First things first, last night we had a frost warning, so we covered everything up. Even in the greenhouse, because this greenhouse, as you can see, is not secure. Oh, and everything looks good. So we're going to uncover it.
Those guys.
Huh?
Those Mr. Tollies.
Yeah, the tomato, Tolly tomatoes. Oh, it's... Yeah, all these, even these flowers back here. These flowers were pretty easy to grow. They're an annual flower. I forget what they're called. I'll have to post it so you guys can know, because buying flowers at a greenhouse is expensive, but these were just, I mean, these all popped up pretty easy, and I think they are a little ball of flowers. Okay, we got it, and down here. Yay, everything's happy. Good. Okay.
Those are not happy, they're dead.
Well, they died a while ago. Okay, moving on. This is what I'm more worried about. Under here, we have some beans and corn, which I planted super early, but
Oh, I see some.
it's doing good. Look, the corn is back here.
I see them.
And then the beans. The corn hopefully will be like a trellis to the beans, so that's good. You want to take the rest of this one off, Julie? I'm going to go to the other areas. We got our baby cucumber seedlings over here. They look good. All right. We did the right thing last night. I always go real quick before I get summoned to start helping out. This is what the strawberry looks like. So it was a flower like this. And then you can kind of see it's a little tiny strawberry that's unripe. And that's what will grow
Into a
into
strawberry.
a big strawberry and ripen up into a red, delicious treat. Hi, stinky birds. Got some big ones in there. Did I scare you? Oh my. These tractors hold like, what do they hold? 75 birds. Okay, that was not as successful. Those chickens are so dumb. They don't walk with us, so we're just gonna leave that there and bring the dog cage down to get them, which Mike was trying to avoid because it interrupts what he's doing when he's butchering, but it's gonna take us all day to get him up here. So now I'm gonna go set the scalder to the right temperature. Hello, kitties. You guys got the life here, huh? I'm not gonna get you. All right, we are almost to our setup over here. Over there on the right are killing cones. We're killing the small ones, let them bleed out in the big ones. This hooks up to a hose. Table's from Premier One. This is would actually be good for a garden if you didn't do chickens or anything. We have a gutting table. This spins the chickens to get their feathers off. Coolers. Buckets for guts and blood. Sure. Coolers for icing the chickens when they are ready to be packaged. Yeah, I'm gonna get this. Oh, why is this dripping? Oh, that's not gonna be helpful. Okay, let's see. Oh, has to do with this. Oh, crap. That's no good. Oh, are you serious? We just bought this last year. Mary is insistent. Oh, you dropped the stick. Okay. Hi, Mary. You like helping do the chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah? We gotta push the chicken under the water. We're scalding it at 145 degrees for about 30 to 60 seconds. Okay, all done. Put your stick down. Put it right there. Okay. So then, oops, I might need that stick. So then when I grab this chicken up and see how the skin's peeling, that's how I know it's ready for the defeather. You ready? Let's get down. Okay, let's go. All right. Dominic, you want to turn it on for me?
Where do water came from?
Oh, turn it on, Mary.
Just like magic. Hot?
No, it's not hot. Turn it on. She turns it on. It's hard to flip the switch, huh? You need help? Can Dominic help you? Oh, Oren, thank you. Okay, let me just pop it in. Oren, Dominic, get back, buddy. Get back. Okay, let's turn it off. Turn it off. All right, now it's the gutting table. See what Julie does. What did you find?
Big asparagus.
Stand up so I can see how big they are. Go step back. Yeah, back. Keep going back. Over there, far away, with you, so we can see how big it is next to your body. Isn't that amazing?